Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Punnuri. As I mentioned that I always added accessories in every windows, like I added birds and butterflies in one window, cute animals and birds in other window, and stones with column designs in another window. As I promised, I came up with a very interesting decor to add in this window. So in today's video, we are going to make garden gnomes. Garden gnomes are known as symbols of good luck. Garden gnome is a figurine of a small humanoid creature that serves as decoration for gardens and lawns. The gnomes are believed to protect the owner from evil. So shall we start making it? First, remove the label and cut the bottle in an angular way as you are seeing in the video. We need only the top part of the bottle. Choose a bottle cap or any plastic container on which this top part of the bottle sits well. Place the bottle on candlelight for a few seconds so that the bottle loses its shape and gets wrinkled little bit. Make sure not to expose it on candlelight for longer time as the bottle may burn and becomes completely disfigured. Prepare M-Seal mix and cover the bottle cap with M-Seal to get the shape of gnome's cap. And smoothen it either using a sponge or with your fingers. Make a thin rope with M-Seal and place it on wrinkled edge of bottle. M-Seal itself acts as glue when it is soft. Otherwise, when it starts hardening, you will have to use glue to stick it. Make a small ball of M-Seal and place it on bottom cap and then place the wrinkled bottle on it in such a way that part of nose should be hidden. Here you can use M-Seal to secure the bottle on top of the cap. As we are going to paint the bottle and the cap later, the M-Seal won't be seen, which we use to stick it. Insert a small ball of M-Seal at the top edge of the cap to give a finishing. Paint the gnome using Fevicryl colors. You can always opt for bright colors. Make a marking of beard and fill it with white acrylic paint. To get the 3D effect, draw lines with 3D liner on the same marked beard and paint the nose using skin color. Just put dots to hide the bottle cap impression lines using 3D liner. That's it. This is one way of making your garden gnome. Coming to the other way of making garden gnome, here we'll use only the top part of the bottle and we will not use any bottle cap below. Make a wide triangle using M-Seal and place it on the bottle cap. Fold the edges of the triangle to get the finishing of a fabric cap. Make a small ball of M-Seal for the nose and place it under the M-Seal cap. Here lift the M-Seal a little bit and place the nose under it to hide a part of the nose, which is a typical look of garden gnome. Start painting once the M-Seal becomes hard. Make everything the same way like how we made the previous one. Here we will add hands and legs also to the garden gnome. Just follow the video for the detailing. Here, while making hands and legs, you have to be little patient to wait for the M seal to get its right consistency for molding it. To give natural look, add faint lines of grey color to the white beard. After this, your garden gnome is ready. In first and second garden gnomes, I noticed that plastic bottle impression lines are visible. So in the third garden gnome, I thought of using aluminium foil for better results. After covering with aluminium foil, made the nose first and then placed it in the position. Then made M-seal triangle, folded the edge and then placed it on aluminium foil to make the cap. And then it's the same procedure of making beard, hands, legs and then finally the painting. Here I added a broomstick in the hand for holding a placard. Keep some support under the hand till M-seal becomes hard. We will make placard from waste bottle which is opaque so that we don't have to paint it. Write any quote of your choice regarding gardening. Only by using different plastic containers in different sizes, we are going to do the final way of making garden gnomes. This is the simplest way of making it, and even children would love to make this. To paint a very small container, fix it on any object possible so that you can hold it easily while painting. Here also fix the nose, hands, legs and paint them. If you don't want to use 3D liner to make the beard, just paint the beard white and then leave it. That's it, your garden gnome is ready with all hands, legs and the cap, everything. So this is how you can make garden gnomes using waste materials. You can place them not only in your garden but also use them as a decor along with your plants indoor. So this is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications about my latest videos. Next week we'll meet to create a new decor. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye. Thank you.